Hi, I'm Claire and I'm part of the sales team here at Dometic Leisure Kingdom, as I'm sure you already know. Today I want to show you around our latest motor that's come up from the valet department. This is totally amazing because it's an Elddis CV40. It's a 23 registration, and as you can see, she is absolutely beautiful. So let's take a look around it. As we know, it's on the Fiat Ducato. It's got the Fiat alloy wheels. As we go down this side here, you'll see that we've got obviously the inlet here. It has an underslung gas tank, which some of you absolutely love. Down the bottom here, we've got two valves. One releases the dirty water, one releases the fresh water. And here is the air intake for your heating system. This is where the fresh water gets put. Inside here is your toilet cassette, and here is where your mains connects. As we go around the back of the CV40, it has got, when I can open it, the barn doors, which gives us access inside the motor. Just look how beautiful that is. I cannot wait to get inside and smell the newness. As we look up, you'll see that it's got the reversing camera. As we come around the side here, if we look up again, we will see that it's had the canopy fitted. So this has been spec'd with quite a few extras. So let's take a look inside and see what it's got to offer. Upon opening the door, you can see we've already got the step out for you. That's an electric step, and it's got the fly screen on the door. Valuable bit of kit, that is. When we go inside, we've got removable carpets. As we look to the front, it's the new Fiat Ducato. So we've got the 6-speed manual gearbox, the steering wheel controls. Personally, I absolutely adore this new Fiat. As we turn around here, we can see that we've got the seats, which are travelling for, and it turns into a bed for one. So if you were taking a passenger that wanted an overnight stay, bring it on. If you don't want anybody to stay with them, tell them it doesn't make into a bed. As we come into the kitchen area, we can see that it's had the microwave fitted as well. So there's another option there that makes it better than the base model. It's got 3 gas rings, and it's got a combi oven and grill. Only small, but it's big enough to do the job. Inside the kitchen, there's plenty of storage as well. As we move down to the rear of this motorhome, you'll see that we've got a very inconvenient box here. That is the handle for the canopy, but you've got great relaxing space. This seat cushion here is to make the bed at the front. This will pull together and make a double bed, and when we make the bed, we turn the cushions upside down. As Wendy comes down, she'll be able to show you that we've got 4 reading lights. All the lights in here are 12 volts, so you can merrily go off grid. We've got the bracket there where you would put a TV. A TV is not part of this particular motorhome, but our accessories shop would love to sell you one. Great storage above. The seats are so comfy. If I haven't got other things to do, I might have a little nap. We've got a fridge. The fridge there just works mainly, well, it only works on battery and mains. So if you were off grid, you've only got a certain lifespan there. Inside here, again, you've got wardrobe space. And if Wendy comes down this end, she'll be able to show you into our washroom. The washroom, again, for a van of this size, it's less than 6 metres. Toilet, shower, and a beautiful, stylish vanity sink. And there's a cupboard in there as well, behind that mirror. One more cupboard that I've missed. This is your freestanding table. So inside here, there's everything you need for great escapes from home. So if you'd like to come and have a closer look at my 2023 CV40, come to Dometic Leisure Kingdom, see me. My name is Claire. I'm happy to help. If for any reason I'm not around, the rest of the team are almost as nice as me. Enjoy, and we look forward to seeing you here on site at Dometic Leisure.